Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use silken tofu to make the simplest and yet most delicious chocolate mousse you can get. For a quick and easy dessert, you only need 4 ingredients, but if you really want to impress, it's really worth trying to sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts and serve each one with shavings of white chocolate. First, we are going to melt the chocolate. There are different methods to melt chocolate, but here I'm going to use the stove and the help of 2 saucepans, as this is a fairly easy and accessible method for everyone. So, break the chocolate into pieces and put into a small saucepan. Then, in another slightly larger saucepan, where the smaller one can fit well, pour some water, about a third full, and bring to a gentle simmer over a medium heat. Set the smaller saucepan with the chocolate into the larger one. If you notice there is too much water in the larger pan, just take out a little, so that no water comes in contact with the chocolate. Over a low heat, let the chocolate melt, stirring once in a while until silky and smooth. Now, put the tofu, there is no need to drain, the almond milk and agave nectar into a blender. Give it a quick shake and blitz until smooth. Now, pour the tofu mixture into a medium mixing bowl and then stir in the melted chocolate. Use a whisk to combine everything well until you have a lump-free, smooth mixture. Carefully spoon the mousse into small glass bowls or ramekins and set in the fridge for at least 4 hours. After this time, you can serve the mousse with a white chocolate or hazelnut topping, or you can add both. First, sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts into the bowls. To grate some chocolate, use the smaller holes of a hand grater. If you want to make chocolate shavings instead, use a vegetable peeler. Just press it down on the side of the chocolate bar and drag the peeler along the edge. This beautiful and delicious dessert will surely impress everyone, and no one will believe how easy it is to prepare. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.